My dear students, on behalf of the West Bengal State Council of Higher Education and the Department of Higher Education, Government of West Bengal, I welcome you all. Those who have qualified in the 10+2 examinations can now apply for undergraduate courses through this single portal. Today, I am here to explain to you the process of application and admission to the centralized admission portal. This is an initiative of the state government and you can take admission across 460 higher education institutes of the state for about 7,229 courses. This you can do sitting at the comfort of your home, or you can visit the nearest BSK or the Bangla Shohayota Kendro. The employees of Bangla Shohayota Kendro will help you in filling up the application form. So, you need not have to visit the individual websites of colleges anymore. By a single click, you can reach all the HEIs of the state through this single portal. Let me now brief you the salient features of the centralized admission portal. Remember that no application fee will be charged while filling up the application form. An applicant can apply for a maximum of 25 courses or programs. To properly guide the candidates, SMS will be sent to them in each stage of admission process as applicable. Based on higher preference and availability of seats, an applicant will be allotted a single seat only. Merit list for all colleges, HEIs, will be generated on the same day at the same point of time. Applicant can see the merit list in the student's dashboard. An applicant will have a scope of upgrading his or her preference even after taking admission. All kinds of fee related to the admission process will be paid only through the portal. Before you start applying for courses, please remember that you have to register yourself to the portal. For registration, certain important documents are required. Let me discuss those with you. Remember that you would need a mobile number and an email ID. These two items are unique, implying that no two candidates will be able to register through the same mobile number or the same email ID. So, be ready with a unique mobile number and an email ID. Other than that, you would require the mark sheet of class 10. That will be in PDF format with a maximum size of 2 MB. You would need the class 12th standard mark sheet, again in PDF format with a maximum size of 2 MB. PWD certificate if applicable in PDF format, again a maximum of 2 MB size. Your identity proof document, as for example Aadhaar, driving license, passport, etc., again in PDF format with a maximum size of 2 MB. If you have a Bangla Shikha ID, please keep it ready with you. Age proof certificate, as for example class 10 admit card, class 10 registration certificate, etc., in PDF format, again with a maximum size of 2 MB. A photograph of the candidate in JPG, JPEG, PNG format, again the maximum size of 2 MB. Now, the signature of the candidate. Remember, the maximum size of this is not 2 MB, it is 1 MB, and the format will be in JPG, JPEG or PNG. Your bank account number. The bank account number can be of the candidate or his or her guardian along with IFSC. A check leaf, passbook, bank account statement, the front page of it, in JPG, JPEG, PNG format, maximum of 2 MB size. Students, if you have any query, you can find us at the toll-free number 1800-102-8014, or you can email at support@wpcap.in. For details, please visit https://banglarucchoshikha.wb.gov.in or https://wbsche.wb.gov.in and then click on the tab Centralized Admission Portal. You may also directly go to https://wpcap.in. You can have a look at the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram accounts as shown in the slide. All the details of the admission process will be uploaded in these social media pages. And of course, for any assistance regarding college admission, you can visit your nearest BSK, that is Bangla Shohayota Kendro. The employees of Bangla Shohayota Kendro is always there to help you with the admission process. In the next video, I'll be showing you the pre-login options, the process of registration and login, profile creation, preference list creation, and ultimately the process of admission.